Just wanted to show you guys the Grampas weeder. This is a weeding tool. It pulls weeds very easily. It's made of wood and steel construction. I've had this for about 2 years. It works flawlessly. It saves your back. I've used countless, about actually 3 other weeders that just don't do the job. This has the leverage from the long pole and just pulls weeds at very high speeds, very little effort. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how easy it is. Here you can see I have a rather large weed. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use the Grandpa's weeder. I'm going to do this one-handed, so you literally just set it right over the weed, right at the base, jam it right in, step on it, and then from there you're just going to lean back and pull up, and boom, the weed comes out all the way, guys, all the way at the roots. It's hard to find a weeder. I've tried several different weeders. None of them pull it out all the way at the roots like this. The Grandpa's weeder is awesome. Give it a shot. It's super strong, wood base, steel construction, and just gets the job done.